Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find the kind of sneak peek of the collab which is coming up this weekend with Vanilla Mace. I'm so excited. I love her so much. She's so funny and I can't believe she's going to collab with Dress Room Press. So I'm impressed. Go to Lana's salon and if you go here, you'll actually see Vanilla Mace on the laptop, which is so cool. I mean, I have not realized it, but that is so cool. And this is the sneak peek of it. We will be getting a code item later. I don't know what the code is yet, but I know the item will be this item. I'll put it here. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.